Russia is ready to supply China with the latest Su-35 fighter aircraft. Director of the Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation Dmitry Shugaev told the media at the Eastern Economic Forum, EVE 2021, in Vladivostok on September 4. He explained that until now there has been no request from Beijing to add to Russia's Su-35 fleet. To date, no new applications from China for the purchase of an additional batch of Su-35 multirole fighter jets have been received. At the same time, Russia is ready for further cooperation with the Chinese side on this topic after receiving relevant requests, Shugaev explained as reported by TASS. The 6th Eastern Economic Forum was held in Vladivostok last September 2 to 4 in a hybrid format, which is a combination of face-to-face and online meetings. Previously, China had purchased 24 Su-35s from Russia worth $2.5 billion in 2015. In addition to getting the plane, the Bamboo Curtain country also got ground equipment and the plane's spare engine. All of China's Su-35 orders have been received and have been put into service by the PLF. The Su-35 fighter jet first flew on February 19, 2008. The aircraft with a maximum flight weight of 34.5 tons is the latest derivative of the Su-27. The Su-35 is designed to be single-seat. The aircraft is capable of flying up to an altitude of 20,000 meters, 65,600 feet, and has a maximum flight speed of up to 2,500 kilometers per hour. In addition to being equipped with an internal 30mm caliber cannon, the Su-35 is capable of carrying 8 tons of weaponry in its 12-gun hangars. This aircraft has been in service with the Russian armed forces since 2015.